We are in 3 trades. So because we know that ES is the test of patience and discipline that has skies as a limit if you exercise patience and discipline. Today is the first time I had taken ES in the trading room on 15-minute chart long from 1688.50. As spelled out, my third target is 1692. Why have I taken this long? Because short trend had reached danger zone level. This is picture perfect reminder. Know when not to enter short. We exercise patience and discipline for the first 30 minutes at the market open because we know that entering short anywhere near danger zone levels is a bad idea. Alphys do remember this. Doesn't matter how spectacular formations are, monitor for reversals. And therefore, I had taken 2 trades, one on ES8, that's currently in the danger zone level, plus 3.5 points. Depends on lot size you trade, of course. As you know, 2 respect decision point 1. This is where ES had set for an hour. Yes, it will test your patience and discipline to the core. But at the end of the day, if you look on your account size, because you exercised patience and discipline, it will thank you forever. But because we've been in these 2 trades on ES for an hour and a half, again, my 15-minute reaching 375 points in profit. Third target here as well. I had taken 2 other trades on oil. So 2 trades on ES. We had 4 trades on oil, 3 of them profitable. This is the third trade that's sitting at the danger zone as well. As you could see, this is what happens when price reaches trade exhaustion level. But formula is identical. This is what happened when ES reached danger zone level reversed. Price simply gets tired, but formula remains the same. ES 15-minute price is tired. Price is tired. I am trailing carefully. My trail on ES 1690.25. Pullback is imminent, and when it will happen, it could be quite powerful. 1690.25 on ES, 107.20 on oil. So peeps, this incredibly boring trade of ES becomes even more exciting by the minute. We had been in this trade 1 hour 40 minutes, but we are trailing very carefully. My trail on ES 1690.75. Is anybody bored from being profitable? I'm adjusting my trail on my oil trade to 107.30. I'm adjusting my trail on 8 range to 1690.50. Actually, let's go 75. 3 trades in a play. Magic of the price. I love seeing that, as we witnessed the same concept last week on oil. June home sales coming out and price is not so good. So why did I take that long? That still is on and on ES. Because price will always override the news. So it don't matter what the news says. If prices reaches danger zone, it means it's setting up for either correction or reversal. We had taken incredibly careful steps. We had trailed our first time ever 15-minute trade very carefully. My trail on it 1691. Across the board, price is at danger zone levels. Confirmation. It doesn't matter if it's ES 15-minute. It doesn't matter if it's oil 13. It doesn't matter if it's ES 8. Formula remains the same. Just like oil trade we took last week for 280 points ticks on 1 hour chart that went on for 3 days. I still keep getting emails with questions about that trade. Yes, if you know how to trade pure price action, you can trade any time frame and any instrument. Just essential to monitor the formations, to know how to trail. So what will price do at these levels? Will it give us a pullback? Because we know when price reaches danger zone, trade gets absolutely exhausted, as witnessed on ES 1 hour. So what are we witnessing? What is happening on oil? How clear and how precise is this? Trail on oil 2, 107.32. ES is completely frozen at danger zone 2. Trail on ES 1690.75, 8 range. Trail on ES 1691 on 15-minute chart. And so there we go, this fascinating almost 2-hour trade on ES that is in profit on 15-minute chart, 4 points. First time ever I had done this on 15-minute chart, reached its exhaustion level. So if you know where danger zone levels are, you know what not to enter into. Let's rehash. Decision point 1 is hit. ES struggled against this level for 30 minutes. The end of the minor trend respected exactly the same as it was respected on ES 8 range. Both ES 8 range and ES 15 range became incredibly tired, and because we've been in these trades for 2 hours, we became bored. And we had taken another trade on oil 13 range. Oil is tired as well. And that's precisely why I named these levels danger zone levels. This is where you expect your trade exhaustion levels. This is where you trail incredibly carefully. My trail on oil is even closer, 107.35. ES 8. 4 targets, oil 13, 5 targets, ES 15, 3 targets. So there we go. First time ever, ES 15 minutes, 4-point run up. But we completely expected this. I may be taking a short, because that's what price does. It dances in waves, showing us time and time again that nothing in this world is random. And magic happens if you pay attention trading pure price. Don't matter if it's ES15, if it's oil 13, I'm out. My trail had been hit. Lovely 50-tick run up. ES 8 range, the entry was a bit sooner, 1687.75, and there we go. I expect to be out. I'll be monitoring for short formations. And that's the magic of pure price. If you can add patience and discipline with ES skies as a limit, I highly encourage you to consider trading ES. Seeing your account growing exponentially is not boring. So if you can pass test of patience and discipline, you are done. Working 2 hours a day, having potential of trading exponential lot size is not boring. ES will behave exceptionally well because the volume size is incredibly high. 21,000 contracts currently, even at the lightest volume. On 15-minute, 9,500 contracts. It's not that easy to manipulate ES. It's the most powerful future in the market. Respect the queen, know who your best friend is, and the skies are the limit. You know where danger zone levels are, you know when to stay out, and you know when to take an entry. And this is picture perfect example. Decision point 1, yes, struggled at for 30 minutes. On 8 range, but it's done exactly the same on 15 minutes. But as you could see, the levels are drastically different because wave structure is drastically different. But formula remains the same. Exactly the same danger zone as AS had hit on 1 hour chart. That's where we monitored for reversals. Oil only had hit decision point 1. Take a look on oil. And that's why I had been monitoring for long formations. And as you could see, formula remains the same. If you know where decision points and danger zone levels are, you know when to enter and you know when to stay out. Have a fantastic afternoon, everybody. Thank you much. ES is getting ready to collapse as expected, but it may take a while. Let's monitor. Let's see if we can take a short. Alright, so we are out of our 8 range after reaching 4 targets. 4.5 points here, 4 points here. Reminder, if you know where danger zone levels are, you know when to expect reversals. You know where to expect your trade correction. 2 trades on ES that went on forever, 4 point each. First time ever, ES 15 minutes. Both profitable. This one hit 4 targets, this one hit 3. 4 trades on oil, 3 profitable. And that's the key. 6 trades total, 5 trades profitable. Have a fantastic afternoon, everybody. Let me know if you have questions. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.